everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I will tell you how to set up the help center within the Zoho Desk. This is a tutorial for beginners and I will go through all of the easy steps of setting up your first ever help center with the help of Zoho Desk. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. And now let's get on into the video. So let's start off our quick tutorial. So a lot of the users will go to the knowledge base tab to set it up, but the knowledge base is only a part of the help center. So to set up a help center, you need to go to the settings, and within the settings you can see the channels, and here is the help center. And let's go quickly through all of the settings. And first settings are for the rebranding. So you can choose your own company logo and favicon. You can also choose the logo link back URL, help center name, and also the portal name. The portal name is important because depending on the portal name, you will have a specific URL to the portal. So if you already saved your portal name and then you want to change it, make sure to set up the redirects. If you already posted this link somewhere, make sure to set up the redirects because the search systems won't be able to find your portal very well. And then also if you set it up as the link on your website, you need to change the old link to a new link. Let's go to access settings. Access settings are very important. There's quite a lot of them and you can customize the access depending on the needs of your company. And let's go quickly through all of the access settings. So first of all, you can set up if customers can sign up for the help center, and also you can moderate customer signups in the help center. You can turn it on or turn it off. I would highly recommend turning this feature on so customers can view tickets of other users in their account. So for example, if you have a company that has one account but multiple users, then the users from this company can view the tickets of other users of this company, and that can help them because usually they have the same issues or they may have the same issues, and it will be easier for them to find the information. Also, you can set up if users must register to access the help center, and also if they must sign in to submit a ticket. There's also some security settings like CAPTCHA, also the defending of your help center against the cross-site scripting. I would also highly recommend using the community in the help center, especially if your help center can have the active users that can help others to find the answers to their issues. So let's turn it on. And then there's some other settings that are default turned on. For example, you can show departments list page on choosing to submit a ticket, and you can also send an email notification when user is deactivated. And the last setting is to display custom status as a ticket filter in the help center. You can either turn it on or turn it off. So there's quite a lot of different settings that you can set up and decide if you need that for your company. A very important feature that we already have turned on is the auto invite permission. So for example, if a user is submitting a ticket, you will automatically send an invite to join the help center, which I find very useful because sometimes when users submit tickets, they can also get the invite to the help center and find some information that will answer their questions already in your knowledge base. Let's go to the languages. So obviously in the languages you can set up a multilingual help center if you want to add more languages, or your main language that you're using for the help center won't be English. You can easily change that. There's a lot of different languages that you can set up this portal. There is help center customization, but it has a lot of settings, so I will talk about it at the end of the video, and I want to move on to quickly going through all of the settings first. So you can set up the user authentication with SAML. Also, you can set up the federated login, so the users can log into your help center using Zoho, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Google, or Facebook. So for example, if they have the Google account or Zoho account, they can much more easily and much more faster log into the help center using their account. I find it very useful and I would highly recommend using it. For example, you can easily enable all of these systems. There is also SEO settings, which is very, very important because you don't even know how many people can find your company just through the help center, because there's so many frequently asked questions or even specific questions that you just go to Google search and search for, and they can find your company and they can go to your company to get some kind of service and discover your company through your help center. So I'd highly recommend filling these out so the customers can find you and they can find the answers to their questions within your help center, and then it increases the brand awareness and it can also generate some leads for your company. There are settings for email templates, so there are different emails for invitation to the help center, activation of the account, and deactivation of the account. So you can fully customize these emails. You can change the text, you can change the style of it. For example, I hate that there's so many different fonts and different sizes of the fonts. You can easily change that and change the colors and customize it to your brand. Then there are settings for users. So first of all, you can see all of the users that are within this help center. You can see also all of the active users, all of the invited users, and also all of the deactivated users. And there are also some settings for the users. So you can set up the labels for different users. For example, you can add the expert to the users who provided the best answers in the community, and you can also make the different user groups. Next settings are for Google Analytics. So you can connect the account of your Google Analytics to your help center, and you will collect all of the data about the behavior of your customers on your basically website or on your portal, and then analyze it and then improve your help center and get the data from Google Analytics. Same goes for SalesIQ. SalesIQ can also help you to analyze the users and their behavior. And also you can set up an automated chat, which can be also very, very useful, especially for help centers. Especially if you know that you need to more like manually help the clients, or you can help them to find the information faster through the chatbot. And the last settings are for PageSense. PageSense is the application from Zoho that can help you to analyze the behavior of the users on your website. So basically you will be able to see where they click. Maybe you have to move some articles up because they're the most frequent ones where users go to, but they're a bit lower on the page. So you can change all of that and you can analyze using PageSense, and you can easily integrate it with your help center. And now let's go back to the customization options. So you can fully customize the look of your help center. Let's go to this one. I like this one the most. Here you can see the knowledge base, community, and my area, and you can fully customize it. So you can fully customize the appearance here, but also you can customize it using the HTML and also the CSS. It's not as flexible as, for example, the Zendesk is, but still it is fully customizable. So you can choose different fonts. So you can fully customize the colors. So if you have the hex codes of your brand, you can easily just paste them and then change the colors of your help desk fully. And you can also choose a different background image and upload your background image to here. Again, you can fully customize all of the colors. Let's go to the tabs. You can drag and drop the tabs in the order that you want. So for example, you can move the community first. So the people that will open up the help center, they will see the community first and not the knowledge base. I would highly recommend going the community the knowledge base, then community, and then my area, which you can rename to my tickets, because that would be more self-explanatory. So, and you can either show it or you don't have to even show this tab. And then you can also set up different types of widgets. So for example, for the community, you can have all of the default widgets. You can also set up the custom widgets, and also you can see all of the trashed widgets, and you can restore them. After you're happy with how your portal looks like, you can easily publish it. And after you're finished customizing your portal, you can find the link to it in the access settings, and you can go and check if everything works accordingly how you set it up. So here you can see the knowledge base, then you can see the community and see all of the different topics. You can see all of my tickets, and also you can sign in or sign up. So if you want to sign in, you can also see the form that you created for signing in, and you can also even customize the look of it within. You can make the font smaller or bigger for your liking, and you can also make it full width or not. So as you can see, Zoho Desk has a lot of the features that help you to go through the process of setting up the help center very quickly and easily, and you can also customize the look of it to your brand needs, which is amazing. It lacks some of the advanced features that Zendesk, for example, offers, but to be honest, Zendesk is more expensive and Zoho Desk has a great value for money, and you can very easy customize it also with the help of the code. If you would like to try Zoho Desk, I will leave the link to a free trial down below. And also, if you have any questions about Zoho Desk or any other Zoho app, I will leave the link down below in the description box with a free consultation where you can ask any questions about Zoho implementation, the integration, or technical support, and we will answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video if it was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next week's one.